Hi everyone, I'm George McCranie. I'm an attorney. We have offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. And today I wanted to talk with you about a question that we get a lot, at least I'd say twice a week anyway, if not more. And the question is basically folks will say, look, the at-fault driver's insurance company won't pay to fix my car. What are my options? All right. Well, this happens all the time. And it's a great question, really, because you need to understand what to do in this type of situation. And let's say, for example, the last question I got about this was a fellow was rear-ended in an accident. The at-fault driver's insurance company basically told him, said, look, we're not going to pay to fix your car until we talk to our client, the driver, all right, that rear-ended you. We're not going to pay to fix your car until we talk with him and accept responsibility, accept the liability, accept fault, okay? And so the guy's question was, well, hey, what can I do? Because, I don't want to wait. Well, you don't have to wait, okay? You don't have to wait for the at-fault driver's insurance company to accept responsibility, okay? You don't have to do that. You don't have to wait on them to say, okay, now we've done what we said we wanted to do, and now we're going to fix your vehicle. You don't have to do that, all right? Here's the thing. You can go ahead and fix your car yourself, all right? And if you have collision coverage on your insurance policy, use collision coverage on your policy to go ahead and fix your car, okay? Now, here's the thing. You might have to pay the deductible. Your deductible might be $500, $750, $1,000, $2,000, whatever your deductible is, you'd have to pay that, all right? And it will come out of your pocket. But you'll get it back, okay? And you'll get it back when the at-fault driver's insurance company talks with their driver and accepts responsibility for it. You'll get reimbursed for this. So that's the way that thing works. But now here's the thing. They're going to say that they want to interview their driver, okay? And that's fine. They can interview their driver, but the problem that I see a lot of times is that it takes a long time for them to interview their driver, all right? It might take weeks. It could take months, or it might never happen. An example is, let's say their client is now in jail and they can't talk to him. All right. So, you don't want to sit there and wait on the at-fault driver's insurance company to, do whatever they want to do. All right. So, because if you do, you might be, waiting to get your vehicle fixed for months. And nobody wants to do that. I mean, that's just crazy. Okay. So, if you go ahead and decide to fix your vehicle using your insurance collision, then you decide where you want to get it fixed. And you get it fixed by people that you trust and you want to have it fixed, okay? You don't have to listen to their insurance company and say, well, hey, we're going to talk to our guy. We're going to pay for it. So why don't you use ABC collision repair? Well, here's the thing. ABC collision repair, I'm just throwing that out there, is going to be the collision repair shop that gives them a break, gives them the best deal. All right. And that's the at-fault driver's insurance company. If you're having to do it yourself, you don't have to do any of that. Don't listen to any of that. You have it fixed where you want it fixed. Okay. So if you have this happen to you, you can have your own insurance pay to have it fixed. You have to pay that deductible. All right. If you got collision coverage. Now, if you don't have collision coverage, all right, here's the thing. If you don't have collision coverage, hopefully you've got enough cash on hand that you'll be able to pay for the repairs, okay? Then you make the claim against the at-fault driver's insurance company and you'll get reimbursed, okay? All right, for the cost of the repairs. And remember, it doesn't matter that you had the repairs done where you wanted it done, not where they wanted it done. It doesn't matter, okay? Now, if you've got a question about an accident case that you've got, you might have been injured in an accident and been trying to deal with insurance companies on your own and deal with at-fault driver's insurance company on your own, and you've now realized that, hey, this insurance company isn't going to treat me fairly, then feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at 833-927-6227 or message me here on Facebook, and we'll get a response back to you. And if you will, comment and let me know what you think about the video. If you've got any questions, add your comments in at the bottom. I'll be glad to read them. And if you got a question, I'll be glad to answer them. All right, thank y'all. I'm George McCranie, attorney with offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. We'll be glad to help y'all. Thank you now.